We are going to unbox these Cpfm green, ugly, throw up Air Force Ones. They just came in today, so we're going to stop talking and just go ahead and jump on into it. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. Don't forget to like this video, all right? Scoofy here. Let's get on into it. Let's go ahead and take a look. I don't know if you guys picked these up. The green pair wasn't exclusive. I think the purple pair was exclusive. The white and black pair just released today, and still no W on those, but no big deal. We got the green pair, so we're gonna just go from there and see what these look like. So let's go ahead and open it up. And they came pretty fast. Now the shipping was like $15, I think, or $25 for shipping. So the total cost for me ended up being $185. They did shock drop these on the sneakers app. Let's see what these things look like. Here is the box, all right? So as you can see here, we got a size 10, and I like the box. Now they weren't as creative as the big black joints that dropped. I don't remember the name of those, but all in all, pretty nice. I love the dust bag. This is a dope dust bag. Hands on, look at these. Wow, these are nice. Can't even lie. Now, would I wear them? Probably not. You could probably put something together with these. I like the leather. The leather is premium, so I'll take that. But we are going to take a look at what they look like, even more detail. I just want to show you guys what all you get in the box. But yeah, not too bad of a shoe. You know, it's all right, not bad. So let's go ahead and take a look at a detailed look at these. There is what the shoe looks like in detail. Nice leather. I do like that. But that is it. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you picked these up, if you're keeping them or not. Scoofy here, and I'm out.